I'm gonna steal yours. Should we just say it at the same time?
What was mine? That was a good one. Go on.
1, 2, 3.
Youth.
I think the themes are sort of universal, and I think they're relatable to both younger and, older viewers. I think the themes of regret, I think it doesn't matter how old you are. I think everyone understands what that feels like and maybe has things in their life that they wish that they'd done differently, whether they're older or younger. Just the way I would hold myself, I tried to kind of base it in how, women in that period sort of held themselves and their sort of, I think I'm
running
like so
style.
slouchy and like, but back then, it was a lot more kind of like formal, running. He's making fun of my running.
I'm not. She was yesterday.
I'm really bad at running.
No worries. I'll be seeing you soon. Wendell and Reed.
I'd probably tell myself to take it all a little less seriously, you know what I mean? Don't
Oh my God, I'm the
fear
opposite.
judgment.
I want to say take it seriously.
The school part?
Yes. I would lock myself in my bedroom.
You had a good hard look at
with
yourself.
a book, 1,000 books, and just
That's
study.
Fair. Yep, read more. I'd probably take the schooling element of it a little more seriously. I think,
G'day.
Oh, it was a training ground for me. I didn't know what I was doing. I was a puppy going in there,
You're like, this is a mark. Like,
Yeah, you got instinct. Yeah, one, the technical elements.
Yeah.
Like you go from a 13-year-old to a professional in the film and television industry because that's what you're doing.
I was, like you said, just a lost puppy. Like, I had no idea how to stand on a mark, even learning lines. You're sort of just thrown in. Both of us were sort of the same in that we were like kind of carrying shows when we were younger, so there's no kind of room to go. You have to
Why
just...
would you know how to stand on a mark?
Yeah, like, exactly. But, I think we were both lucky, and in that the kind of community that we grew up with has sort of grown with us. I don't know, it's kind of fun. Like, it's fun to sort of have all these people that you grew up with and everyone's sort of, I don't know, doing well and everyone's supportive of each other.
Blooming.
Everyone's
together.
blooming. I would only do it if Ryan was also a mermaid on H2O.
Be careful what you wish for.
I was just gonna say.
Look, if they did a movie and it was about, the fallout of the surfing youth and what they ended up with at 35, divorcees in lawsuits and stuff, maybe that could be
I
kind of
want
funny.
to see that.
Yeah,
Sounds like something I'd watch.
It's bitchy.